Hey loves, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing an LA Colors haul. At Family Dollar, LA Colors has a full display of holiday makeup and I'm really excited to show you what I bought. The first item I picked up is the Pout Lip Gloss Super Shine in clear because you can never have too many clear lip glosses, and LA Colors lip glosses are not sticky. Since I only have 3 items for the face, I'm going to go ahead and get right into the eyeshadow palettes first. The first 2 palettes that I purchased were their Mood Setter 6-piece interchangeable and travel ready eyeshadow palettes. And as you can see on the picture, it comes with a cute little palette and 2 sponge tip applicators. They only had 2 available, and as you can see, they retail for $3 each. The first one is a more purple berry toned one, and the other one has more brown and neutral shades. The purple one is Glamorous, and the more browny reddish toned one is Luxurious. Next, I picked up their Frisky eyeshadow palette for $5. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. It has a nice skinny mirror at the top. It has one dual-ended sponge tip applicator and a tiny little synthetic brush. Let's see if I can get it out. Right here. And what drew me to this palette obviously was the color scheme, but these 3 colors in particular, this really pretty gold, this reddish brown. I've really been into the reddish brick browns lately. And this berry tone right here, I'm really excited to create a look with it. I purchased the 18 color eyeshadow Glam palette in the shade Strange Love for $2. If you've been with me for a while, at the beginning of my channel, I purchased all 4 of these the first time around, meaning when the colors were different. I'll get to that in a minute. But I did 2 videos. I want to say I did a favorites video featuring one of these palettes, and I also did a video where I swatched all of my LA Colors eyeshadow palettes. And those 2 will be either, they might be down below in the description. I'll let you know at the end of the video. But Strange Love was not always this very neutral tone. It used to be purple. If I can find a picture, I will insert it, but I just thought that was weird. Like, they changed the entire color scheme of the palette. But still, it is very pretty, and I love these sorts of tones, as you will see with the last eyeshadow palette and the ones before it. I love warm tones. But yeah, I thought this was really pretty. And the last eyeshadow palette I purchased was their Nude Eyes 24 color eyeshadow 10. It says bonus keepsake 10. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out of, all right, hold on. It comes in a reusable tin. I thought that was so neat. But look at these colors. They're so pretty. I had to pick this up, and it was only $5. Oh, and look at this. It comes out, so I guess whenever you're done with these eyeshadows, but there's so many and I don't see how that would ever happen. But if you wanted to, you could take this out and you would just have a nice size tin. So I thought that was really neat. Uh-oh, get this back in here. Uh-oh. Okay, it's back in there. Again, beautiful color scheme, and it's a keepsake tin, so definitely worth $5. Moving on to the items I picked up for the face. As you can see, all 3 are some sort of highlighter illuminator. I was really excited to pick up these liquid highlighters because I don't own any, and they were only $1, so that's a great way, that's a great trial and error opportunity because you're only paying $1, and I chose to get both shades that they had available. And I also had to have their Light Up and Glow highlighting palette. Now, I bought quite a bit of eyeshadow, so that's why I did not swatch those, but I'm really eager to open these up. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out of their packaging and swatch them. Look at those swatches, so pretty on the skin, very lightweight. I don't know if mine built up pressure or not, but when I took the caps off both, the product just flowed out. It is very liquidy, but as you can see, a little goes a long way. Please focus. 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 All right, there we go. So you have Glow Now Bronze and Glow Now Pink, which is like a really icy pink, very pretty on the skin. So cute. All right, they do dry down. I messed that up when I ran my finger over it. All right, so you got to be careful. Make sure once you apply it, it's where you want it to be, and rub it in thoroughly or it'll dry patchy like that. That was my fault. But yes, they're so cute, and they were only $1. And I'm so sorry it's not focusing. There we go. The last item in my haul is their Light Up and Glow 4-color highlighter palette, and as you can see, it was $3. Now, this haul was created over several trips to my Family Dollar that I frequent. And the first time around, I did not pick this up because I was like, I have enough highlighters. Well, it's in the haul now, isn't it? I absolutely love highlighter. And it was only $3, and you get 4 very different colors. So I just thought that was really pretty. My next video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I will be using this palette, and I'm so excited. That completes my haul. Now, they have a lot more stuff available. They have several different styles of eyelashes. They have a ton of new lip products as well as nail polishes. But yeah, I tried to contain myself and stuck to purchasing these items, and I'm really happy, and I can't wait to create videos using them. I hope you loves enjoyed the video. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Are you interested in any of these products? I am excited because Profusion has their holiday stuff at Walgreens, and they have a lot of nice stuff as well. So just go ahead and tell me whatever you want down below in the comments. I love talking to you, and until next time, bye loves!